Video on the final project in analysis and design of a tall building. You have defined all the required properties and sections, and now you can proceed with the drawing of the elements. In the plan view, go to Story 1 by using the arrow keys. Select Quick Draw Columns from the Draw menu. Alternatively, you can select the Quick Draw Columns icon from the shortcut bar. Now that you are well versed with the draw icons, most of the draw functions are selected from the shortcuts in this video. After selecting the Quick Draw Column option, change the column property to the Column Auto Select List property. Before drawing the elements, select the Similar Stories option from the bottom right corner. Then select the whole grid area to place the columns at the grid intersections. As you had selected Similar Stories, you can see that the columns have been drawn in all the stories, which have been defined as similar to the current story, that is Story 1. Now, select the Quick Draw Beams option from the Draw menu or the shortcuts bar. Change the property to the Auto Select List for beam, and then select the whole area to draw beams over the grid lines. The beams have been drawn in the set of Similar Stories from Story 1 to 8. Again, select the Quick Draw Slabs option, which you can do from the Draw menu or the shortcut bar. Change the property to the defined property of slab, and select the area to draw slabs on it. The beams, columns, and slabs have been drawn in the first set of Similar Stories. Using the arrow keys, go to any one of the stories from 9 to 14. Make sure Similar Stories is selected, and click on Quick Draw Columns. See that the Auto Select List property for column is selected, and draw the columns over the desired area, as displayed. Similarly, select Quick Draw. Check the correct property is selected, and carefully select the desired area as shown. Make sure that the correct area is selected for each set of Similar Stories, which has been accordingly illustrated here. After the beams are done, select Quick Draw Slabs, and draw the slabs of the desired property over the area. The beams, columns, and slabs have been drawn in the second set of Similar Stories, that is Story 9 to 14. Now, go to any of the stories from 15 to 19. Select Similar Stories, and click on the Quick Draw Columns options. Select the Column Auto Select property, and select the desired area, as illustrated. The columns have been drawn in the desired building section. Again, select Quick Draw Beams, check the correct beam property, and select the same area to draw the beams. Select the Quick Draw Slabs options, and repeat the process of selecting the particular area. Press Escape to exit the draw mode after the slabs are done. Now go to Story 20 to draw in the last set of Similar Stories. Select Quick Draw Columns, and set the Auto Select property for column. You can draw using the Similar Stories option, as before, but here an alternative option has also been illustrated. First select the One Story option, and then draw the columns on the required area, as displayed. Similarly, draw the beams and the slabs, using the respective Quick Draw options. Then press Escape to exit the draw mode. Now, with the One Story option selected, select the whole area, so that the beams, columns, and slabs of only the Story 20 are selected. Then go to the Edit menu, and click on Replicate. Select the Story tab in the Replicate box. The elements are already drawn in story 20, and you need to replicate the same elements to the rest of the similar stories 21 to 23. So, select stories 21, 22 and 23 together, and click on Apply. You can see that the selected elements have been drawn in the remaining stories. This alternate technique may be used to draw elements on columns, and slabs have been drawn in all the floors of the building. In the next part, you will learn to apply the dead and live loads to the building slabs and claddings. Thanks for watching.